In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Zalo. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll confidently get the official Zalo app onto your Android device using the Google Play Store. Zalo is a popular messaging and video calling app, and installing it from the official store helps keep your device safe and the app up to date. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone or tablet. You'll find the Play Store in your app drawer or on your home screen. Its icon looks like a multicolored play button. Make sure you're connected to the internet, ideally on a stable Wi-Fi network, so the download goes smoothly. If the Play Store opens to a featured page or your account page, that's fine. You don't need to change anything special here. Next, use the search bar at the top of the Play Store. Tap it once, and your keyboard will appear. Type the word Zalo, just 4 letters, Z-A-L-O. As you type, you may see suggestions drop down. Simply choose Zalo from those suggestions, or finish typing and press the search key. Taking a second to double-check the spelling helps you find the correct app right away. Now, look through the search results and select the official app titled Zalo, Messaging and Video Calls. This is the listing you want. You'll usually notice the familiar blue speech bubble icon and see that the description highlights messaging and video calling. Opening the app's detail page gives you a quick overview, screenshots, and reviews, which can help confirm you're in the right place and about to download the genuine app. Finally, tap Install. The Play Store will begin downloading the app and then automatically install it. You'll see a progress bar while it works. The time this takes depends on your connection speed and available storage. If your connection is slow, just let it run without switching away. The Play Store will manage the process for you. When the installation finishes, the Install button changes to Open, and you'll also see an option to uninstall. That means everything completed successfully. You'll find the Zalo icon added to your app list on the device. And that's it. To recap, open the Google Play Store, search for Zalo, pick the official Zalo, messaging and video calls listing, and tap Install. With those simple steps, you've securely downloaded Zalo from the trusted source on Android. If you found this helpful, you can replay any section to follow along at your own pace. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new app.